today, I realized I have a whopping 105 connects on Upwork, and that's unacceptable. I need to waste them. By the way, not to flex or anything, but these are all free connects that I just been accumulating for apparently 10 months. Because as you probably know, if you don't, Upwork gives 10 free connects each month to everyone, and they give 100 connects, I say that very loosely, to the ones that pay $20 a month for the membership. And apparently, if you go right here to the Connect section, you can obviously buy them. But if there's the Free Connects button. By the way, go to your Upwork right now and tell me if you see that button. Like, again, if you go here, sidebar, Connects, click to expand, Free Connects. Do you see this button? Because I get a lot of people that tell me they don't have it. And let me know if you want me to do a video on this. I think half of this is shit. They ask you to find a job and submit a proposal. We're going to do that. Let's see if we get anything. But they also ask to boost your profile for 1 day, which I think is shit. And to enable an availability badge for 1 day. But it also says get 10 free connects next month. Are these on top of the regular 10 connects? Or did they completely change it? Because the thing is, like finding a job, yes, okay, that's what I'm going to do anyway. But boosting your profile and enabling an availability badge, I've done a video on that, at least one of those. And it brought my profile views down for the time that I had it active. Plus, that requires you spending connects in order to get free connects. So I don't know if that's worth it, but I have pretty much half of it done. So honestly, let's try it. Why not? I'm the guinea pig. I have shit ton of connects to waste. Also, this is a video about me applying to jobs, and I've done anything but apply to jobs. But let's see. I would say sales and marketing, bid per click. I don't know, how much do we want to go? And you can set a daily or total limit. They tell me one is lower than average. Let's see what's average for them. By the way, 10 connects is $1.50, I think. They haven't changed that as far as I know. So at least there's that. So the minimum they let me do it without side-eyeing is 10. So $1.50 per click. Feels a bit high knowing that not every one of them will convert. So let's put 50, fuck it. 50 total or 50 daily. Let's put 50 total. And let's not put an end. You'll receive up to 3 profile clicks. That's really awesome. That's really something. Anyway, let's do it. And now let's turn on the availability badge. The minimum that it lets me spend is 2 connects per day. I hate this. I really hate this. And by the way, if you don't know, I've spoke a lot about this in the past, but I was a very big supporter when Upwork introduced Connects, but I'm not anymore. They're really getting greedy. When you first introduced it, it was like people were abusing proposals. Copy and paste proposals were a plague, really. But now, I don't see the need for that, and it's just annoying. But let's see. Let's go through my feed as I typically do. What I typically do, and you'll see in just a second, is I go through all these feeds, and I open everything in a new tab that I may be curious about. And then I go through the tabs and I filter them. So this one, I'm not interested because branding services is so not what I do. I don't even know. Sometimes Upwork's filters suck. Organic growth, focused content creator. I think this may be fine. It's $50 below my typical rate, but fuck it. Tapping fingers on the table. Maybe. That sounds like a weird fetish thing, but okay. By the way, I love ASMR. But just seeing this, I don't know, sounds a bit iffy. GC creators from Morocco. I'm not from Morocco. I would love to go there. It's pretty close. It's like 1 hour flight. I do not speak Czech. Creative strategist. Maybe. I love brainstorming content ideas. Performance marketing. This sounds like paid ads and not something I like to do. I'm also not in Bali. Never been to Bali. Casino games. Yeah, exactly what I don't like. But let's see. If it's a shitty one, we will ignore. If it's a good one, we'll consider it. Basically what I don't like, and I did also a video on this, is the ones that pretty much ask you to do false advertising. I'm so against that. Photographer needed for sales incentive event. Lisbon and Algarve. Ooh. When was this posted? Last week. I'm sure they found someone already. Let's try UGC. See if we have any luck there. Yeah, these were mostly the bad ones. Real couple. Maybe I can enlist my husband. We'll see. Wine education? No, I like wine. I don't really understand what goes with what. But travel video creators, I love that. Okay, maybe. We have some contenders. These are the best matches, by the way. The others were my feed, so basically the saved searches I have. Now we're on to best matches, which from my experience, they suck. Because as you can see, like, this one's 20 to 50 an hour. And yes, I could work around that because I feel like hourly is really weird because they don't know how many hours it takes me. So I would rather clients just give a full budget, even if it ends up being hourly. But I'm not down to try and like negotiate shit. Although that being said, this one asks for a dog, and I got the cutest dog in the world, so we'll see. This one's 35 to 85, which is a huge range. This person has the goal to become a micro influencer. This one also has a low budget, but they ask for a dog. I love including my pets in my content. And if you don't know, I have 3 cats, 1 dog, and 5 ducks. Women's clothing brand. Shit, 3 to 15 an hour? Are you joking? And they want primarily moms. Female menopause. No. Not me. Not that old yet. GLP Thrive. I'm sick and tired of that shit. UGC manager. You're gonna be a pain in the ass. I don't want me to do with 250, but definitely not what you want. Let's remember, Upwork knows my hourly rate is, I believe, currently at 85, which for my experience is quite low. But they're showing me in the best match category, they're showing me $3, $5 an hour jobs. And I'm like, seriously? Wait a minute. Weird Tumblr internet. Are you shitting me? That's literally me. Just one more tab and we'll look at all these that we have accumulated. Hope you're still with me. If you're still watching, comment below this emoji. This one, estimated $20 budget. I won't even talk to you for $20. They want the UGC creator. Wait, $5 per video. Excuse me. That's not fair. That should be reported, honestly. Because even if you charge, let's say, just $1 per minute, you don't take 5 minutes to... That's shit. The thing is, you're gonna get a shitty product for that, and then you'll say, oh, UGC doesn't work. No shit. It doesn't work with your budget. Anyway, get out of my soapbox and let's go. Organic growth focused content creator, hands-on social media creator, US-based dating app, create a variety of content, independently develop and source content ideas. Okay, this sounds like a bit of me. Okay, so the budget is $1,450, which is pretty weird, pretty weirdly specific. But that's for the whole 100 days. No shit. Go ahead and delete it. It sounded good until then. This one's the ASMR fetish one. This is the example. So they say it's hard to find someone who can tap really well like the example. What is this going to be used for though? Hoping to buy videos of someone tapping their fingers on a table while you study or relax in a live stream or video. Sometimes also occasionally smiling into the camera like a comforting friend is there for the viewer. Please ask me anything you'd like anytime. I'm sorry. Am I the only one who thinks this is fucking weird? The thing is, if they could have said what it was for, but they didn't. And that's what's freaking me out because my mind goes everywhere. Anyway. Turn creative strategy into scroll stopping stories. Why the fuck wouldn't you put like bullet points like you did up here? I hate this. This is so AI. Hold on. Look at the guy in the back, okay? First of all, they're pushing the cart weirdly on one-handed, but let's just watch. They went back. I think this is AI too. Yeah, this is AI. This is AI too for sure. Yeah. This is horrible. These are the examples they have. I'm sorry, these videos suck. Couple needed for authentic UGC. See, this I don't like either because it feels predatory. Like that one was wanting ads about women's fertility. And I don't know, that's just a sensitive topic and I don't want to be responsible for promoting something that I haven't tried and I wouldn't try either because I don't want kids. I don't know, it's just weird. Mistral wine cards. 55 card wine education. Do I get to drink while I film? Oh, they provide raw footage. Okay, so it's editing. We'll see. Maybe. I prefer filming than editing, but I also enjoy editing. Travel video creators needed. Paperclip. Bordeaux. I don't think I have footage from Bordeaux. I would love it to be able to share it. I have Prague, Berlin, Interlaken. I think I should have something from Interlaken, and I'm going there later this year. Okay, this one's a potential one. This one sounds interesting. Maybe. Wow, 21 connects? That's a lot. $84 per post? What the fuck? Okay, let's give a better look. Creative strategy agency that transforms brand messages into high-performing social ads. Seeing how tired I am, I should really only apply to the ones I feel like are 110% match. Mistral wine cards. What's the budget? $1,000 for 5 ads. That's $200 each. That's not bad. Plus for static ad images, we can freebies just to make math easier. All raw video footage. Oh, okay. So this is the one that provides the footage. See, I like this one. I have a portfolio that I can show them. Yeah. I would like to do it. Terrific AI, I think I'll do as well because, I mean, I have content. We're looking for Europe-based creators, dog owners, comfortable, hold on, strong storytelling and pacing, portfolio that shows experience with TikTok Reels. This sounds good too. Designer facing high-end upholstery plus refinishing company looking for a freelance Instagram operator with an exceptional eye. Okay, this can be interesting as well. Clean Looks Collective, achieving women, 7-day elegant reset. If they pay enough, I could buy a silky pajama. Why not? I can be that girl. See, today I like every single job. Why? Am I really this desperate that I like every single job? Okay, I just wrote my first proposal. So that one's for the wine education brand. And if you want to pause to see, I actually broke it down because they had it here broken down in the timeline. So I broke it down for the different stages. So we have an amount for the first stage, first milestone, yada, yada, yada. And then, wow, 15% service fee. That sucks. You wouldn't get that on Contra, by the way. This is very low. Sorry about that. But yeah, if you'd like to pause to read what I wrote in the cover letter or the examples I gave, feel free to screenshot those and paste them if you want to see them. I don't care. These were the answers to the questions they had. But by the way, in case you haven't noticed, specialized profiles will be goner at the end of the month. So you'll only have one main profile. I don't know what's going to happen when it comes to this. Like, I am one of those people that has different text for all of them. Will they be merged? Will you ask me about it? I don't know, but I'm curious. And also, I've been really talking a lot about why you should have a specialized profile because you could put unlimited skills, whereas on the main profile, you can only have 15. My question is, will you be able to, since you only have one profile, will you have multiple, like endless skills? Will they up the limit or will it be 15? I don't know. Okay, I just finished applying into the jobs and spending all the 105 connects. So I'm just going to show you the last two proposals I sent. This one was for social media manager. That's the last one I just sent. Again, feel free to pause to read it. I don't want to read the whole thing. I think that would be boring. But this is the cover letter. It's hard to tell. This is the cover letter right here. And these are the answers to their questions. This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. And then the things I attached. I said somewhere in here that I would attach my case studies, and I also attached one review. And this is the one for those travel videos for that website. It's right here. They want to pay you for your travel footage. And this is what I sent. This is all the cover letter, so no questions here. And yeah, that's how I spent 105 connects. The rest of them were obviously spent during those boosts and stuff, but you can see I have 53 left and 14 are set for the availability badge. And then we have a limit of 50 for the boosting. So that should be it for all the connects that I had. Let me know if you have any questions about Upwork or Connect or anything like that. YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so go check it out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.